just gonna do a quick unboxing because why not? So in here should be some CDs. Here we go. 2 CDs. Yeah, I know this is an old album, but I'm starting to, instead of doing a subscription-based thing, I'm going to be buying CDs every couple of months. So, yeah, there's that. Now we're going to move on to this big guy here, which is the main show. That's not cutting it very well. Should be good. Which is my new hubcaps, because one was missing, so I figured I ought to get these. Looks like it's true what that dude said. He said it was missing like a tension here. So let's see if we can find that. So I need to put those on before I can put the rims on. So I'm going to do that real fast here. But they look pretty good. Better than what's on there, because I'm missing one. But yeah, so that's my quick little unboxing. And I'll post some pictures of the new rims on my car. It's a Toyota Camry. So I did manage to get one of them on here. I don't know if it's on quite right, so I'm gonna just run these out and test them, because I don't know if you noticed when I was unboxing it, but there's no instructions, just the rims, the tension wire, and the assumption that you know how to do it. Alright, so here's some pictures of the rims on the car. These are, of course, the new ones on the car. And here are the old ones. So I do want to quickly mention here before the video ends as well that this was quickly recorded on my Pixel 4. I'm not going to always record on this. I do have a GoPro that will be what I usually record on. So I hope you guys subscribe to see more.